Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I told you guys I'm Oprah today. I'm just handing out videos left, right, and center. I hope you guys are well. I just came up with a idea where I want to sort of go through my Facebook community and my school community and just look at some of the questions that members are asking me and doing a video because those of you who are sitting on YouTube, you might not be in the Facebook community. And a lot of the conversations and discussions are happening there on Planet Club Artistry Heaven, right? When I say Club Artistry Heaven, I'm talking about D2D, I'm talking about the Digital Product Bootcamp, AI Prompt Heaven, and the CCC community. I'm going to try and make this as concise as possible. There's so much going on, but I feel it's good to have a video where I just update you guys on everything that's going on as best as I possibly can. You absolutely have to be part of V3. I'm not going to remind you guys again, or maybe I will, but you get my point, right? The link is in our group. You can join us via Zoom and you can join us via Facebook. It's entirely up to you, right? AI Prompt Heaven, monthly membership, $15 a month. I drop weekly prompts, junk journals, clip art, bookmarks, coloring pages, all sorts of prompts. There's a vault, there's an existing vault with thousands of prompts, and every week we drop you new prompts. Part of the vault, you get members tool stacks. What does that mean? If you are a member, 12 existing tools plus Clipart SparkBot, which I released about a month ago. If you're paying me the monthly membership, these tools are already in AI Prompt Haven. I'm not going to go show you guys the tools now. I just want to speak and update you guys and clear out some of the questions that I see coming up in the Facebook community so that everybody knows what's going on. I'm going to do this more consistently. Questions change, scenarios, webinars. So I'm just going to go through some of the comments where people have asked me for certain things, and it might be something that my YouTube community needs help with. So quickly, register events. You'll see here, 13th of June. Here's the event. Okay, if you see this, click on going or joining, and 10 people, I just did it yesterday, 10 people are responded already. So make sure that you can also expect some emails from us. So Pooja will send us some emails, reminders, sign up so that when you register, you will be notified. Reminders will be sent to you. The second thing I want to speak about is two products is being dropped. I'm going to go to design. If you are in the Design to Dollar community, guys, this is for you. These are all the lessons. You pay us $9 a month and you get all the training, all the videos. Keep in mind, most of these videos is not on YouTube. Small percentage of these videos is on YouTube. Majority of the videos you will not get on YouTube if you don't have the link. You will not get the link if you're not a paid member. So we do all the designs of templates and all sorts of things. Sunel and I, we give you the video, how to do it. You can stop, rewind, whatever the case may be. You pay us $9 a month and we give you the template. You can then sell the template, use it as a lead magnet. So too many people have been asking me for one-on-ones and I cannot put it off anymore. And it's not really something I wanted to do. Please don't pick it up in a negative way. What I'm saying is not a confidence thing. I didn't feel like it was the right time to do these one-on-one sessions. I've got no problems doing it. I've done trial dummy ones with some of them. It's definitely something I can do, not a problem. I've been in consultation for many years in terms of what I do. But I didn't feel on this journey it was time. It's now time. I cannot put it off anymore. And I'm responding. It's now going to happen. So you will see this coming up by the end of today. So I'm not going to go into each of them. I'm just explaining to you. What I want you to remember, everybody that is paid, that is a paying member, you've got access to almost everything. This one, you need to just be active and get points. If you get to level 5, you get access to the members wish list. Everything else as a paying member, you get access to it. If you are a free member, you will only get certain modules open. If you want to maybe get the Etsy course or the Canva course, as long as you are a subscriber, you'll get access to these. The bot will be included for members who are paying members as a value given back to us. I've just done a video on D2D explaining the D2D template. I explained there how to use the template, how to templatize it in Canva, the whole process from A to Z, from signing up to paying to whatever the case may be. That video is coming up maybe later today. This one, I need to still make a video, so I'll go through that in more detail, but I cannot unpack this in this Q&A video, which is just to let you guys know what is happening. So I'll leave all these links in the video description if you guys want to sign up. For those who are on the outside, you can come and join us free, no problem. Check us out first if you feel it's a place that you want to belong to, invest in, grow from, learn from. then you can upgrade. The next one I'm going to go to is CCC. All the paying member message from me where I basically explain to you to cancel your membership. We are working behind the scenes where we're going to rebrand this Content Clone community, and we are going to let you guys know soon. Why is Doreen doing this with me? Doreen is very good at creating twin content: singing, dancing, baking cake, flying planes, jumping out of the plane, skydiving. She's very good. She loves it as much as I do. So I think it's a good partnership for us to take this on. We've already spoken behind the scenes in terms of the things that we want to put together. It's very exciting. So if you haven't seen my message and you hear my voice now, if you are a paying member in CCC, please go and cancel your subscriptions. I do not want you guys to pay until we have a better direction going forward. That's the most important thing. This community is not going anywhere. I love it too much. I love creating twins too much. It's not going anywhere. I'm just going to re-strategize with Doreen, and we will share how we plan to do this for going forward. So these tiers here, in terms of how we used to be set up, that's all going to change. Okay, so watch this space. This is a really fun community, enjoying it, and it's not going to go away. I'm still going to teach you how to create twins, how to create content. I'm still going to keep my eye on viral content. I'm still going to show you how to do all of this with your AI tools. Nothing's changing here. Okay, so that's all I can tell you in for now for CCC. Then AI Prompt Heaven to look out for. I haven't updated the calendar yet, but I'm going to have this one here, the 13th, which is the V3. I'm going to have that up later today. So you can check that link there. And then on V3, we're going to speak about the 6 new products that I have built with AI, which you can find AI Prompt Heaven. You do not pay for the 6 new tools, but you will be able to buy them as standalones as a non-paying member. Let's say you want to grab the Tumblr Spark, or you want to grab the T-shirt Spark, or you want to grab the mock-up builder, right? You're gonna soon see options here where you can, like on ad hoc, just buy the tool individually without having to sign up for memberships, right? Not a lot of people are comfortable with memberships, but to each his own. So that's all coming here. That's what you need to know. The webinar that's coming on the 13th, and you need to register for that webinar. What else is there that I can share with you guys? Some of the questions that has come up was in the Facebook community. I had someone asking me about the tools that we are building. Are they generating images? The quick question is no. None of what I show you is image generators. I have built a mock-up scene creator where you start from uploading images, and the whole process up to completion is to create a mock-up of your images with some lifestyle images, with some how to download, how to this mock-up. So it's not a matter not being able to build these tools for you. I have discovered now during the V3 members tool stack that they are very expensive image generator. So this basically started with me uploading my images. It gave me this image. Okay, so my tool basically did all of this. It gave me the lifestyle image, how to receive your files, complete your purchase, download instantly from Etsy, unzip and start creating, so that I didn't have to do all of this. It gave me another lifestyle image, perfect for image, t-shirt, mugs, tumblers, etc. So a transparent view, another lifestyle image, format, PNG. So everything is there that we need, where we are currently doing it in Canva, or the flavor at the moment is everybody puts the image in ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT will give you a mock-up image, right? Be careful of that. I did build this, so I didn't upload my image here, but the tool also allows you to upload your logo, so it's branded. So I can build those tools. This entire process will cost me $1 every time someone uploads the images. Say 30 out of 400 AI Prompt Heaven members. Every day, 30 of you are going to generate these. It's going to cost me $1 because it's not free. Somebody's got to pay. So if you look at it that way, it's not feasible for me to build tools at this stage. If I can find cheaper ways of to do it. But for now, let me just be very clear. When you see me talking about bots, prompt generating bots, right? That I've got social proof of people saying I just listed this 2 hours ago and I got a sale. Multiple people have been saying it in private. I've got proof. So when I talk about my bots, I'm talking about image generators, prompt generators. Also, not all my tools are design related. V3 will have tools that is not design related, but is business related, right? So don't think all my tools needs to be designed. If I know there's an area where I'm struggling in, I'm gonna build something for you. It helps me, and if it helps me, it will help you. Another thing I want to close off with is please be very careful. It is one of those things where my tools is not working for Artistly at the moment as much as I would like it to work. It's not because I cannot adapt my prompts to Artistly. I feel like Artistly is stuck in 2024. You guys know how much I love Artistly. I still use it for volume generation. Nothing wrong with Artistly. Unfortunately, ChatGPT updated and invested in their systems, in their people. Now we've got an untouchable chat generation tool that nobody can touch. Not Nanoban. It's better than Nanobanana Cloud. It's better than Gemini. I can generate 10 images with ChatGPT at the moment, where I can't do 10 at a time with Artistly or any of the others. So kudos to ChatGPT. How long they will keep the leverage, I don't know. This is typically how software companies work. When one company does something great, the other one is going to try and re-engineer it so that theirs does something better. That's good for us. My tools that I'm building, Artistly cannot keep up. I cannot go back to 2024. I have to move towards 2027. So if I tell you that my tools are tested on many platforms and it's not working on Artistly, I have to look at it, right? If Artistly's developers update and invest in the system so that it can do capacity, so that it can follow instructions with sizes, so that it can create transparency off the bat. There's a lot of things that we need Artistly to do, right? And also, as a final, be careful of listening to Artistly videos, tools, or that only sells works with Midjourney. That only you. What if one company closes down? What if ChatGPT closes down? If ChatGPT closes down, I'm gonna go to FreePeak. If FreePeak has an issue, I can go to Abacus, right? So it's very dangerous to lean on one tool only. Stranger things have happened. And if they cannot keep up with you, you need to start having a executive conversation with yourself, right? So these are some of the questions that I've had. Brought you some clarity. I hope you are able to draw inspiration from it. If you have any other questions or if I didn't answer you on something, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to hear from you guys. And until the next video, have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.